Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to automatically post on Twitter using the MKTX software. Super fast, super simple, and how to do it, let's follow along with today's video. Okay, to be able to automatically post on thousands of Twitter accounts as well as the X platform, first you need to use the MKTX software. We will select the viral marketing section. Next, in the posting section, we will select the accounts we want to post from. Load them up. Then we set up the parameters such as the number of accounts that can post simultaneously. Next, we move on to the section for setting the time as well as the number of posts. After that, we will choose a content. Okay, we will carefully select some relevant content here. Then we will save it and we will then have a total of 11 posts. We will have these accounts post the same content and also add hashtags. That's right, we can freely add any of these hashtags. Okay, once we have all this information, we just need to click start. The tool will automatically open our Twitter account and post according to the content we selected. Super fast, super simple. If you found this helpful, please give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn even more about powerful automation tools and solutions like this one, you can easily contact me directly via WhatsApp or Telegram for further assistance and detailed information. That, as you can see, the post has been published, it's done, it's completed, along with the timestamp. So that's how it works, and that's how we can post thousands of articles in just 1 hour. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more in depth, please contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. See you all in the next video.